Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Now I am making in bread crumbs. How to make an easy method with this help of the bread, or you can buy in the market also, or you can make own breads and make the bread crumbs. It's not in a recipe to show the ingredients what it is, only bread. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. For bread crumbs, take the bread, or you can buy it on outside also, but when you are doing own breadcrumbs, you can enjoy the lot and you can know how to make a breadcrumbs easily whenever you don't have in a restaurant or in a home. And bread, keep it on a sun dry for 1 to 2 days, or keep it on a roast little bit, or you can keep it on a dry place without a wet, because the fungus form it easily in wet places, and you can see fungus when you keep in a wet places. Now I am making a roasting method. First take the bread, remove the upper side, sesame seeds, remove it nicely, because when you doing breadcrumbs it will see easily. And keep it in a plate. Okay, sesame seeds removing is done. Crush the breads like a sandy texture. When it is dry, you can see how I am making. Crush it like this. When it is not fine to dry, then roast it for 5 minutes on preheat the oven, then switch off. Next, keep the breads when oven is in off. Like this. I am showing one more also. Don't skip the video, because you miss the how I am doing perfectly. If you want to make urgent for any recipe, you can roast it in emergency also. If you don't have any emergency, you can keep for sun dry or in any heat pan. Now I am keeping in oven. Okay. Then keep it roasting. bread crush is over. Now I am keeping in oven. Check it for every 5 minutes. And finally, the breadcrumbs is ready. Now I am removing from the oven. See the breadcrumbs texture. It is used for KFC recipes and chicken nuggets, vegetable snacks, any item for coating on top, and it is very crispy too, and for taste also. See the texture. Breadcrumbs, and it is very costly in markets, so don't buy. Prepare in homemade method and save the money also. If you want very softies, you can crush nicely if you want, according to the recipe. See breadcrumbs crispiness. And this is not a food to taste, so I am just showing how it is looks. Thanks for watching.